Ladies and gentlemen, as promised, it's Monday. It's unboxing time. Look at my grimy mitts. Dirty ass grease monkey. What can you do? Alright, let's get right to it. We'll take our nice little razor blade here and make the incision with surgical precision to get at our goods. A lot of fun doing this one-handed. Didn't feel like setting up a tripod and all that. I just want to get this thing open and get to the goodies. What have we here, folks? What have we here? Whiplash. Okay. Copy of Allroy's Revenge by the band All, which, if you're familiar with the Descendents, then you're familiar with at least the members of this band. And if you know the Descendents, you probably know this band too. Wow, check it out. He actually does the extra sleeve thing. Very cool. This is obviously the way people pack stuff on Discogs. I'm just sort of now getting into buying stuff on Discogs. Okay, just have to say the cover to this album is in impeccable shape. Absolutely mint. Standout tracks on this record. Fool's a great song. Scary Sad is a great song. Box, good song. Copping Z, love that song. She's My Ex, Bubblegum, Mary, No Traffic. It's a great album, can't go wrong. And I will probably share this one. I don't think it'll get blocked. Okay, the next record is the album All by the band Descendents. Another great album. We'll get this one out and assess the condition. Okay, this one, it's got a little bit of edge damage here and there. It's a little beat up. The sleeve is anyway. But that's okay. No big deal. It's not about the sleeve for me anyway. Standout tracks on this record. Coolidge is a great song. Camage, great song. Van is funny. Clean Sheets is an awesome song. Pep Talk, good song. Schizophrenia is a crazy song, as the name implies. Yeah, so it's going to be a Descendents double play. Our next serving of Descendents is I Don't Want to Grow Up. Look at little Milo. Hey. This one is factory sealed, so obviously impeccable condition. Let's see, standout tracks. For me, I like Can't Go Back. My World, yes. And like all of side two, I don't know, I'm a sucker for like this side. Silly Girl, great song. Yeah. Yep. Good stuff. Printed with all the lyrics. And we have The Police. Synchronicity. And there's a crazy valuable copy of this album out there. Apparently it has a different color scheme, whereas this one is yellow, blue, and red. The other one, you'd have to look into it. I'm not sure right off the top of my head, but there's a crazy valuable pressing of this, and it's not this one. This one I got just because I like the album. And it looks like the outer cover is in good shape. The inner sleeve is yellowed. This one has some age, obviously. but that's cool. Okay, and I saved the best for last. I've talked about this album on my channel before. It's one of my favorite albums of all time. Blake Schwarzenbach is probably one of my favorite lyricists of all time. Probably said that before too. But what can I say about this record in particular? I'm a little disappointed because this was not cheap at all. This is the most expensive record out of the bunch, and it's actually got damage to the outer sleeve. There's creasing here, edge wear here and here. Let's flip her over and take a look at the other side. Yes. And the creasing. But why is this so valuable? Let's see, can we read this? This is a special edition of the legendary Dear You. Manufactured and distributed all over the world by the Jawbreaker Fanclub. Okay. This is the Fanclub edition, hence the expensive price. And, you know, the condition leaves a little bit to be desired, gotta say. Let's take a look at what's inside. Shot of the band playing live. Lyric sheet with the picture of the bass player as a kid. And it is on blue vinyl. So, how special is this record? Well, it's special to me because I love the record, and you really can't find it readily available on vinyl. It's tough to find to begin with, and this is apparently a very rare Fanclub edition, as the sleeve says. It's not marked. I forget who they were on. They were on a major at this time for this album only. I forget exactly who it was, but there's no marking of that major on this album. And of course, I'm going to try to share it with you so that you guys can evaluate it. But because this was recorded on a major, or for a major, it's probably going to get blocked. I'm letting you know right now. I tried to do The Cure, Kiss Me, Kiss Me, Kiss Me, blocked. The United Mutants Guild does not like allowing other revenue streams for their artists. Anyway, that's it. Unboxing complete. Time to listen to some records. Catch y'all down the road.